Good morning, students. So we need a hanky, one, two rubber loops or elastic loops. If you don't have elastic loop, then you can use rubber bands. So first, fold your hanky like this. If you have a small hanky, then fold little less. Then fold it in half. Now you can see we have a folded handkerchief. Now take a rubber loop and insert from one side. Take another and insert in another side. Like this. Now you can see both the end. Just insert the one end inside the other. It's very simple and easy. So now you can see the mask. It is our mask. Just hold your mask like this and wear. It is very easy to wear. It will cover the nose and mouth also. Thank you, student.